Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy Spore Finance on Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. It's really fast and easy, and let me show you how. So first, what you need to do here is to open up a Trust Wallet. You can download on App Store or Google Play Store, set up your 12-word recovery phrase, and you're good to go. And the second step that you need to do here is you need to have some Binance coins. So you can buy Binance coin on Trust Wallet itself by pressing buy and BNB, but the main issue is that fees are a little bit bigger on Trust Wallet, and also there is huge demand for Binance coin and Ethereum due to Uniswap and PancakeSwap. So sometimes you cannot buy a Binance coin on Trust Wallet. So what I suggest to do here is to buy a Binance coin on Binance Exchange. So I will leave the link in the description below with the video showing step by step how you can buy it. And also, if you don't have a Binance account, I will leave register link where you can register and get 5% more on your first deposit, right? So the next step that you need to do here, if you have a Binance coin on a Trust Wallet, you're good to go. And if you buy on Binance Exchange, then press receive, select BNB, and copy the wallet address to a Binance Exchange and transfer Binance coin on Trust Wallet, right? And then when you have a Binance coin, then on the quick menu select BNB. If you're not seeing, then on the top right corner there is two little as you can see here, dashes with a circle. Make sure that Binance coin is toggled in, and then select the Binance coin, select more, and then swap to Smart Chain, right? And basically swap your Binance coin to Smart Chain, and then go to browser or the apps if you're using on Android on the bottom. And if you're using with an iPhone for the first time, probably you will not see the browser option. So go on Safari and copy this link, trust browser enable, and then press go, and basically this option will appear, browser. And then under the popular you need to select PancakeSwap, right? Make sure that you're connected to your wallet on the bottom, on the top right corner here. And then on select currency you need to go to Google Chrome or other like a website explorer, and then go to CoinMarketCap, look for Spore Finance, copy the contract ID here, go back on Trust Wallet, select currency, copy the code here, select Spore Finance, and make sure you're selling on 11% slippage or lower, right? And now you can basically swap Binance Smart Chain coin to a Spore Finance, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.